My name is Sanya Prajapati. I'm from BTech Data Science second year. This project was so amazing. I really like this project. I've seen all the planets, so it was so nice. It was an excellent.
So actually, we have developed all the contents from class 6 to 12, physics, chemistry, biology, according to NCERT syllabus, so that you not only see on the blackboard or the digital board, you can actually experience the learning process. So based on that, what is your opinion? Should we implement this in the education sector?
Of course, it can be implement because if we can see like this, children can easily learn, and like children don't want to only hear about only listening purpose, so they can see if digitally, so they can understand easily and get more innovative things about knowledge.
Learning from a book or a blackboard and learning through this VR technology, what is your opinion about this?
I think learning from VR technology is more helpful because it can be easily understood by a student because it was like a visualization, so it can purposefully learn the projects or whatever you can learn about the concepts or ideas. It was amazing. I really like this that I've seen all the planets.